Oh shit. So TELESIN sent me some accessories to show you guys how you can level up your Action 6. So let's see what they sent to show you how to level up your Action 6. So this is the smaller case. Hard front, so you know your gear is going to be protected. Small compact size. Hold your Action 6 right there. And plus extra accessories on the top if you wish to carry. It got a little mesh at the bottom to protect your screen when in here. Plus a little strap to hold your camera down from falling. You got a little pouch in the back so you can hold some accessories, maybe like some cable. But if you need a little extra space, you do got the big boy right here. This is the bigger size. Also has the hard front to protect your gear, but it has a lot more space. As you can see, now we can hold any filters, go to our camera, 2 batteries, and everything we need. You also get a bigger, larger compartment to hold extra things, so you can have extra cables and stuff like that on the top, so you can hold all your accessories in one, so now you can carry everything in a semi-slim package, but still have everything nice and protected when you're traveling, so you don't have to worry about your product getting damaged in transit. So this is the ND filter. We got a VDN, a CPL, and a UV. A VDN is basically a versatile ND filter, so basically it has a bunch of different points where you can let as much light or less light as you want. So with this one, you technically don't have to switch ND filters all the time. You just gotta rotate the knob and you can let more light or less light. You get to choose if you want more light or less light. This CPL one is basically going to cut off all the blue haze in the sky, or if you take water shots, it's going to cut off all the glare so you can see the water much clearer. It's going to clear up your image from getting all the glares in your video. So basically this is just like cleaning the glare off your videos so you can get a cleaner, smooth shot. The UV ND filter doesn't really do much. It basically is just like a screen protector for your glass. It protects your glass from scratches or damages. So if you were to break the glass, you will only break this glass and your lens will still be fine. And if you scratch it, this will get scratches instead of your main lens. So this is basically just protection for your lens from scratches or any type of damage that happens during shooting. So this is the compact light. Looks like a film roll, like a Kodak film roll, but it's a very strong light. You do got a diffuser in the front that you can remove, as you may see, and you can put it back in there, no problem. It sticks with magnet. We got a little power button on the top that also controls the levels of the light and the different RGB modes we could switch to. So if we were to turn it on, you just hold turn on. We can switch between the colors, but if we were to click it once, we can change how dim and bright we want it. And if we press it again, we can go back to switching between the colors, which is cool. As you turn it off, it does charge by USB-C. It has magnetics, so you can stick it on anything magnetic. You got a magnet here and the bottom, so you can mount this anywhere you like that is magnetic. But it also comes with some accessories that can very be useful. The first one is one of these mounts. It basically allows you to attach 2 of these together. So if you were to put this, you can put another one underneath and have 2 lights instead of 1. So now you can have 2 lights and have more lights in case you need an extra light. You can always daisy chain them together. Now this one is the same as the last, but the difference is it does come with a screw mount, so you can mount the light to a tripod or connect it to a hot shoe mount, so you can attach it to the top of your camera and use the light that way. So you get versatility in case you got a place where it's not really, you can really stick to it. It does not really magnetic, so you could use this to put it on there and have it in a certain space you want. So you can have the light anywhere you want. So this light does give you versatility to put anywhere. So you can definitely put this light anywhere you like and add a little more glow to your photo shoots, videos, or whatever you're doing. Just give it that extra. So this is the street shot right here. You still get your cutouts for your battery door and your magnetic point at the bottom. You got a hot shoe point and you get a trigger now, a shutter button that hooks up to the other hot shoe mount available underneath with your record button that gets pressed by this little screw at the bottom. So you just slide this in like so and booyah, connect like that. This is the arm. It has a rubber finish, very nice, with a thumb extension right here, so your thumb can have a nice place to rest, made out of full aluminum. It comes with the built-in screw. If I take this out, you can see you got a built-in screw and a micro SD card slot, so you can carry an extra SD card slot, and a tool to unscrew the mount when not in use. To install your camera, you slide it open, slide it through the slot, close it back, easy, bada bing, bada boom. So now I'm going to show you, we're going to put everything together. So we're going to attach the camera to the Action 6. So we're going to put the cage and an ND filter, and we're going to show you how it looks. So first thing you do is unlock it, then you grab your action camera, and you basically just slide it in. So you slide it like that, bada bing, and there you go. You got the camera in, you just slide this back into the hot shoe mount, voila. Then you just grab your ND filter, and you just basically plop it on top, and there we go. We have it now set. So now, what I was saying earlier, I'm going to show you how fast it works to record. So as you can see, it's already recording. So if I were to push it, as you may see, it's already recording this video, and I push it again, it automatically stops it. So this button clicks instant, so it doesn't affect the time on recording or anything. It does feel great in my head, and look how it looks now. It looks like a legit miniature camera now. You level up your game, you level up your style, you level up your creativity, because now you got a better grip. So if you put this in your hand plus this, now you don't have to worry about your camera falling. Now you could just get out there and start creating great things. So yeah, if you want to get a pair of these, you could check the description box below. Have everything linked in the description below, so you can go check it out for yourself. So yeah, this is the TELESIN Action 6 kit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.